Hello my dear students of Beacon High School. Today we are going to learn a mosaic art. A mosaic art is a small pattern of image made of small regular or irregular piece of colored stones, glass or ceramic held in place by plasters and covering a surface. Mosaics have a long history. Mosaics are often used as floor and wall decoration. Today, artists and crafters work with stones, ceramic, shells, art glass, mirrors, beads, and colors and colorful papers. So today I am going to teach you how to make a mosaic art with colors. Thank you. Let's start the work. Material required to make a mosaic art: you can take a drawing paper, pencil, eraser, scale. You can use any medium of color. Here I am using crayon colors. So let's start the work. Now on a drawing paper, in the center of the paper we are going to make one square of 12 by 15. In the center you are going to make with the pencil. This square should be in the center and accurate. You can take a measurement how much you want. Here I am taking 12 by 15. So in this way we are going to make one square of 12 by 15 with the pencil, and there inside this one, after making this square, we can make any pattern inside for a mosaic design. For we can, here you can use triangle, you can use circle, you can use flower, any pattern you can do. Now here I am going to take triangle. So with the help of scale you are going to make the triangles. The size will be different, no measurement will be there for making the triangles. Now while making these triangles you have to keep little gap in between two triangles. In this way one triangle I have made, so again the second I will keep little gap. As I told, there will be no measurement for the angles, so you can, according to your paper, according to your size, you are going to draw the patterns. In this way different angles we are going to make in a different way. In this way we will complete our work with pencil first. Now all the angles I have drawn with pencil. As I told, any pattern you can use for making a design. You can make a design, you can make a landscape in this mosaic art. Here I am showing a simple abstract design to you so that it will be easy to learn first in start, and afterwards you can make any drawing, any painting in a mosaic art. In mosaic art you can use a decorative materials. For example, beads you can use to decorate this one. Instead of using colors, you can use a cutted glass in the different shapes. After completing this with pencil, now what I am going to do, I am going to make this borders, the angles borders we are going to make with a black ball pen. So first we will complete that one with a black ball pen, and we will erase all the pencil work, and then I will show you coloring. This way we are going to complete our outline with a black ball pen and then a border of the square. So this also should be done with a black ball pen, so that while coloring it will look more beautiful. After completing with a black pen, we are going to erase all the pencil work with the eraser. As I told, I am going to use crayon colors here. Now in one pattern we are going to use, you can use cool colors or you can use warm colors. Now here I am using cool colors. As you know, cool colors are green and blue, and warm colors are orange, red and yellow. or you can do a mixing color also. You can do half in cool colors, you can do half in warm colors. Here I am doing the work in cool colors. So first of all I am going to take dark color, and where I need dark color, there I am going to apply in that triangle. Upside I am going to, you have to take the care that it should not go out of the border line. Slowly you are going to, in a one stroke, you are going to complete one triangle, and wherever you need dark color, there you are going to apply all the dark colors first. Here we have 4 different green colors, so you can use that also. If you have 2, you can use only 2 green colors. Wherever you want dark, there you are going to apply dark, and where you need, you can use light color. Now here, wherever I need dark green, I am going to use that dark green, and then I will come for the light green, and where I need a light green, there I am going to apply light green colors. In this way we will complete all the patterns in a cool color. In this way we are going to complete our coloring with the cool colors. Here I have used cool colors blue, green and violet to complete this mosaic pattern. Now after completing this one, you are going to take, if you have earbuds, you can take earbuds. If you have a rough cloth, you can take a rough cloth, or you can take a piece of paper, just fold it in this way and make a point like this, and you are going to merge this color so that it will look smooth. In this way you are going to do the pattern. On the pattern you are going to rub this paper which you have taken to merge this color, so that this color will mix and it will look a smooth one. In this way, all the way you are going to mix the colors. First we are going to use blue, and then we will come for the green. You are going to, while using green, you are going to open the paper again, you are going to turn it round again, you make a point and come for the green. Don't mix blue into green, that otherwise the color will be changed. So first we will complete blue and then we will come to green. In this way our mosaic art is completed. Now see here, I have done this one with warm, cool colors. You can use any different colors also. You can make any different drawing. For example, you can make portrait, landscape or any other work in mosaic art. You can use beads, you can use glass materials also, or decoration materials also to make a mosaic art. Here I taught you this one in coloring. So make it and enjoy it. Thank you.